Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add a new user to Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you want to add multiple users to your Windows computer so that you'll not be the only one that have access to the Windows computer and you don't want to use Microsoft account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add a new user to Windows 11 or Windows 10, without Microsoft, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, search for NETPLWIZ, then left click on it once, select run as administrator, then hang on, you see your administrator page under user account. Now, to add a new user to your Windows 10 or Windows 11, click on add. You should see how will this person sign in. You'll be prompted to type in a Microsoft account. Now, to add this new user without a Microsoft account, come down and click on sign in without a Microsoft account. Then select local account. Now go ahead and type in the username. So I'm just going to say the username is Dotun4Love. Type in the password. Repeat the password. Then type in your password int. Then you should see under a user, should say password that will be easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Now click on the next button. Now you should see the new user created. Go ahead and click on finish. Then here you now have multiple users on your user account. Then you have admin and then you have another user. Then go ahead and click on OK. Once you click on OK, if you click on the start button, you click on the user account, then click on the three dots beside sign out where you see more options, then you should see other users. You see that? Now whenever this person is going to sign into your PC, the person just needs to use the username as well as the password you created, and then you are good. So that is basically how to add new user to Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.